Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can get the repair tool in Subnautica 2. Okay, now this tool is going to be pretty good and pretty essential, especially if you ram your brand new tadpole. But it's going to get you a while to get it there because it's going to be hidden through 3 fragments. Okay, so you're going to need 3 fragments to actually unlock it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can get these 3 fragments. Now, first of all, guys, I recommend you have a tadpole for these because, it's gonna get you a while to get to all of these locations, but they're not actually very far away from the near life pod, okay? They're actually very close, okay? So as you can see, where I am right now is about 380 meters, 300 meters away from the life pod in the northeast direction, 6 degrees, okay? So just follow 6 degrees from the life pod and travel about 350 meters. Okay, and you're gonna see this wreckage in here. Of course, I recommend if you can on the day because it's gonna be much better visibility. But yeah, this is how it is right now. So, you're gonna see this big wreckage in here. And it might look like nothing is in here, but you're gonna have to go underneath. And you're gonna see this, door underneath the floor, which is gonna help you go through it. Okay? And here you're gonna be able to basically find the first fragment. Okay, so we're just gonna go and we're gonna scan it with our scanner. Okay, beautiful. Now we have 1 out of 3. Okay, beautiful. Let's move on. Now I'm gonna get into my tadpole and I'm just gonna follow the second location here basically. Okay, so let's go to the lifeboat again to kind of have a reference point. But yeah. Okay. So the second location that we're gonna have to reach is gonna be south. Okay, so we're looking to go to the south. And this is gonna be basically 300 meters away from the life pod. Okay, so let's get first the life pod first of all, and then we can do that. Okay, we're getting closer to the life pod now. So, as you can see, this is going to take you quite a while, especially if you don't have like a tadpole, because it's going to be far away. Okay, so here's our life pod. I'm just going to head south now, about 300 meters away. And similarly, you're going to see a wreckage, okay? I believe I also saw you this wreckage in another tutorial, okay, to get something else. But yeah, it's going to be like a wreckage. I think I see it already, maybe. Okay, I think it's this one. Yeah, correct. So it's this wreckage in here. As you can see, it's very easy. Just go to the south direction. 350 meters, 250 meters away. Okay, and we're gonna have to approach from the right because there is the entrance to the wreckage. I'm also gonna show you the exact location, as you can see. Okay, so let's go in. We're gonna have to go to the left because there's gonna be a hole in the floor. And just here, you can scan it. Beautiful. Okay, we have the second one. Let's go for the third. Okay, guys, so the third one is going to be actually the easiest of them all because you are going to have a signal once you go through the PDA and you kind of go through all of the messages. You're gonna get a signal, a beacon there that is called black box chat. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the location, but it's pretty easy and pretty intuitive. This one actually is the most intuitive of them all because you have a marker that is gonna lead you there. So just to make sure, where are we? We're about 200 meters away from the life pod in the southeast direction. Okay, this is where we are. Okay, there's like a massive structure, like a massive cave, and we have to go into the cave. Okay, into the cave. And for this, I believe we're gonna have to approach. Yep, correct. This corner here. Okay, so like the left corner, we're gonna have to go into the cave. Let's just go in with the wave maker to make it a little bit easier and faster. And just go through the hatch. Let me show you the location one more time for this one. Beautiful. And now it's very simple because we just have to approach this desk and scan the third repair tool. We got it. and now we can fabricate it in the fabricator. Okay, so yeah guys, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.